breakfast is more than just the first meal of the day. It sets the tone for your energy, your mood, and even how your body burns fat. The truth is, not all breakfasts are created equal. Some leave you hungry an hour later, spiking your blood sugar and slowing down your metabolism. But the right kind of breakfast? It fuels you, keeps cravings away, and supports fat burning all day long. So today, we're diving into 5 breakfasts that not only keep you full, but also help your body burn fat naturally. 1. High-protein Greek yogurt bowl. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which keeps you satisfied longer and supports muscle building, key for fat burning. What to add? Fresh berries for antioxidants, a sprinkle of chia seeds for fiber, and a handful of almonds for healthy fats. Why it works? Protein stabilizes blood sugar, fiber keeps you full, and healthy fats prevent energy crashes. 2. Vegetable omelet with avocado. Eggs are one of the best fat-burning foods, loaded with protein and nutrients. What to add? Spinach, peppers, onions, mushrooms, any veggies you like. Top with avocado slices for that creamy, heart-healthy fat. Why it works? Veggies add volume without calories, eggs bring satiety, and avocado provides slow-digesting fats, so you're not hungry mid-morning. 3. Oatmeal power bowl. Forget sugar-loaded instant oats. Go for rolled or steel-cut oats for slow-release carbs. What to add? A scoop of protein powder, flax or chia seeds, cinnamon, and a spoon of almond butter. Why it works? Oats give you steady energy, while protein and fats prevent sugar spikes. Cinnamon even helps regulate blood sugar, making it easier for your body to burn fat. 4. Smoothie for fat loss. Quick, portable, and nutrient-dense. Blend together. Unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, a handful of spinach, frozen berries, and half a banana. Add chia seeds for extra fiber. Why it works? Low in calories but high in nutrients, and the fiber plus protein combo keeps you full for hours. Perfect if you're on the go. 5. Whole grain toast with nut butter and eggs. A simple, balanced breakfast that hits all macros. What to add? Toasted whole grain bread, natural peanut or almond butter, and a boiled or poached egg on the side. Why it works? The mix of complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats fuels your metabolism and keeps you satisfied until lunch. These 5 breakfasts prove that eating for fat loss doesn't mean starving yourself. It's about choosing foods that balance your blood sugar, fuel your body, and keep you satisfied. The more stable your energy, the easier it is to avoid cravings, stay active, and naturally burn fat throughout the day. So tomorrow morning, instead of reaching for a sugary pastry or skipping breakfast altogether, try one of these meals and watch how much better your body feels.